Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to contact Etihad Airways customer service. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Etihad account, which of course I have done right here. How can you create an account on Etihad? Launch in a browser of your choice. Locate the search bar, type etihad.com, and that's going to take you to the official website for Etihad. In there, follow through with the on-screen prompts to create your account, which is self-explanatory, and after doing that, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Etihad. So now that we're here, let's go hop into today's task, which is how to contact Etihad Airways customer service. Now, from the top right corner of the screen, you're going to find Book, Manage, Experience, Destination, Help, and Etihad Guest. At the right to the Help tab, you're going to find this option that says Baggage, Get in Touch, Your Bookings. So head over to Get in Touch category. You're going to find Travel Requirements, Talk to Us, Feedback, and mobile apps. So just go ahead and click on Talk to Us. So with it, you're going to show you how you can talk with them. So you have this most researched topic. Okay, so whatever you need, we're here to help you find the answers to most of your questions in this page, or you can chat with us 24/7. So you have these topics that could help you, and more support for your flight. You have assistance after your flight. You have Etihad guest help. You have this common questions, and right here, get in touch. So here are options that you can choose. You can send a direct message to them via any of their social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, or X. Or you can chat with them online to use our chat bot, and it is connected you to an agent for specific queries. So click on Let's Chat, or you can even view the Etihad Hub for you to get in touch with a travel agent. Then you can check for media inquiries. All right, member of a media, I want to get in touch with a media team. Go ahead and click on Email Us to send them an email. And you have a call option here. So if you want to give them a call, go ahead and select the country. And once you select the country, click on Search. And you're going to provide the number that, let's say, Argentina. So click on Search, and you're going to see all the numbers available that you can call. So there's a number that you can call for Argentina. You can select any of the country and choose the number. So you can use any of these options to get in touch with Etihad if you have any problem. As you can see, they really want to get to you. You can even get to this Let's Chat icon right here to easily chat with them using the chat bot. All right, so that's pretty much the process how to contact Etihad Airways customer service. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.